I got this Jeep back here that I try to keep nice and can't haul a lot of stuff. Also got an F-150, but I don't always have it with me. Then I got the CRV over here, which I run into the problem all the time where I buy something too big, I can't haul it home. So I'm sitting here thinking, why not get a roof rack? I got some scrap metal sitting around here, so let's go make one for nothing.
Look inside your tiny mind, then look a bit harder, cause we're so uninspired.
Flip my hat back as an homage to Brandon Phillips, because bam, we miss you, brother. But check it out, check it out. YouTube has hooked me up with my own line of merchandise, which is really sweet. Thank you guys so much. You can buy this on my merch shelf. I got a bunch of stuff on there, but only if you're cool. You wanna rock this bad boy. Woo. A 2004 Honda CRV EX. Go up here and we'll find these 4 of those. It's gonna make 2 rails, one in the front, one in the back. 3/4 inch steel tube that I've already cut down, just a rough size. It fits perfect, but it's not high enough to go across and clear a bar. I made a little template which shows me where my mounts are. Then I cut a shorter piece right here. So now if I double stack those, hold this here, you can see the mount has enough room where I can get 2 screws down to where it needs to go, and I've got plenty of height to get a bar over if there's another one on the other side. Weld these together, screw holes where they can drill in, and they give them some nice finished cuts. 3. Back out there. Hey! Hey! So I went ahead and made my marks where I need to weld it. I can just go ahead and line up the other 3 here. I still gotta grind these off, they're pretty rough. But I'll throw a straight line right down. I'm gonna try to get the weld down, if we can process it a little bit more. For the roof rack rails themselves, we're going to use these bad boys, but they're not wide enough, so we got to weld them together. We're going to cut this bad boy into 4 pieces down the middle and on each side diagonally to create angle iron we can sandwich it in. Take these 2 together like so. Sandwich 2 of these. One here, flip it over, other side, completely engulf it, sleeve it, weld it, all the way around. There's one of the 2 done, strong. You could rob a bank with that bad boy. Line up those little nut holes with my diagram I made earlier, put them right on top, and we'll drill all those out. But the question is, you've got these pre-existing nuts. So what kind of bolt do you put in there? There's several different ways to find out what size you need. But what I did, I found a bolt that fits in there perfect. I'm not sure what size it is. So let me show you how I found that out. So I got the metric tap set, open it up, look for one that was similar in size. After I rooted through them, this is the same exact diameter as the one I have. And if I hold it up, you can see the threads match identically. Then I can take that tap, roll it around, and see that it's 6 millimeters by 1. That's what I need. I go to the nuts and bolts, I get a 6 millimeter by 1, 30 is the length. Already checked that before I went. It's time to see how these things fit. We give all those a snuggin'. We can put that bar on. They look good. This is an exciting moment. Keep in mind that I've got these bars long right now because I want to judge right where I want them for style points to make sure they look right on point. Let's go put them on, and then we'll decide that in a second. I've got it centered. I've got it where I want it. Now I'm going to tack some welds on it, nice and strong. Take it down, weld it all the way up, and we'll paint it, put it back on. Hopefully it fits in. Oh yeah, I'm going to use an old cookie sheet to protect the car from any flames and fire coming down. I've got my body line set. I'm going to cut right in line with those window visors. That way when you're getting in, you don't bust your noggin. I'm in my garage mindlessly staring at the wall, just taking a break for a minute, and I see this big old pack of eye bolts. I just think to myself like, man, I should put those on there. So I got somewhere to anchor all my ratchet straps to. So I'll keep them off the top and put them on the corners on the side. That way I can hook a ratchet strap, tie down whatever I'm hauling. Okay, they're ready for paint. But first, we're not going to paint them, we're not going to test them out. I don't want these things if they don't do the job I want them to do. Turned out really good. Really good. Looked really smooth. Real pretty. Time to put them on. One of the things I'm nervous about is if they still fit after all that welding. We're about to find out. So far so good. Let's see if the other side tightens on good. Whole new level of functionality. I can still haul stuff. No matter what you got, as long as you got some mounts up there, you can make your own. Cost me $3. Had these laying around. Had a little bit of steel laying around. And a welder. I just bought some bolts that fit. Hey guys, that's all I have for today. If you like my video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, check out the other people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. Good channels down there. Hey, remember to subscribe to my channel. You'll get links to the videos I do in the future, and you'll be really cool part of the club. Yeah. What's up, bro? That's all I have for today. Take care. Later. Peace.